Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad Sangma ulaang baka sorkar India kadai ban bishar ya baro kilat kilenti ban wanrah biang ya ka jingsuk jingsan hajala Manipur. Conrad ulaang baka jinglong jingman ha Manipur ka bajerwet jerwat bha bat ka sorkar India kan hab ban syong bishar benya bat kadai ban wat kilat kilenti ban wanrah ya ka jingsuk. Bat kani kadai ka ba ukwa baka sorkar kan le no marmar.
The situation in Manipur is very, very complicated, and there are many factors that are there. And hence, the government of India will have to really examine all options, is what I would like to say, and act accordingly. So every decision will have its own repercussions and its own impact, and hence how you would further then handle the situation of that particular decision is something that has to be seen holistically, and hence it would be very complicated to say something saying that this action should be taken, because whoever, by that I mean the government of India, that whatever decisions they take, they have to realize every decision has got its ramifications, and hence it has to be done in a very balanced manner. They have to be ready for the repercussions of any decision. But having said that, we as a party would want the government of India to examine all possible aspects of the constitutional provisions, because at the end of the day, as a political party, we want peace and harmony to be there. We want things back to normalcy, and people of Manipur are suffering, whichever community they belong to. The common people have started suffering, and there's a humanitarian kind of a crisis right now there, and something needs to be done to really cool down the situation and bring things back to normalcy.